Oh, hi, Christy.
What you doing?
Well, I was just looking at this, the book, the story, and I'm so excited that we're doing it at church. It just sounds like it's going to be a lot of fun. So, yeah, I was just kind of looking through, seeing some of the different things that we'll be learning.
Yeah. Do you think that you might join a small group, or have you thought about hosting, or what do you think you're going to do?
Well, I know I'm going to be in a group, but, you know, as far as hosting one, I have some questions. I'm not really sure.
Yeah, I have questions too. What are you thinking about?
Well, I was just thinking about, I don't know if I'm going to have time to prepare all the lessons and the questions and like all the research that I'd have to do. And it just sounds like it would be really a big time commitment. So that I'm not really sure of.
Well, actually, you get the DVD that has all of the teachings on it, and the leadership team will provide you with all the questions that you need. So all you really have to do is press play and kind of facilitate the discussion. That's all you have to do.
Wow. Okay, so I don't have to come up with any questions, and I don't have to come up with a curriculum. It's all provided for me?
Yep.
Wow, that's awesome. Well, then the other thing I was wondering about is that 31 weeks is a long time. I mean, that's a big commitment. What if I'm sick or I want to go on vacation? I mean, what then?
Well, it's so easy to be a host that there can be subs within the group that could cover for you if you are sick or have vacation or you have something come up. But another option is to find somebody else who is thinking about being a host and is definitely going to do a small group, and maybe you can co-host with them so you could split the responsibility.
Oh, that sounds like a really good idea. So there could be maybe somebody in my group that I could have take over if I'm not there, or I could co-host a group with somebody.
Yeah.
That's a really good idea. Okay, so where do I sign up?
So there are sign-up sheets at a table in the sanctuary. You can see the banners that say the story, and you could go sign up there.
Okay, but now if I sign up, does that mean I'm totally committed, or will I have some time to like learn a little bit more?
No, signing up is just to get some more information.
Okay. Okay. Well, that sounds like a great. Let's look at this. I just wanted to show you something here.